Well, good morning. Thought I'd get started this morning on the disassembly of this little EXCELSIOR sensitive drill press. It's a pretty complete little machine. Picked it up. It came out of a firehouse up in Cincinnati, Ohio. And so I'm gonna start taking it apart in order to go to the sandblaster, and we'll start machining some of these parts that are broken or missing. As you might expect, we've got a lot of peck marks and drill marks in this table, but I've got some ideas for how to fix these, how to repair these. Go ahead and take this belt shifter out. That's the shift handle, and this is the shift fork. Here's the handle, the wheel handle. There's only one hole drilled for a handle. I would have maybe thought that there would have been 3, but apparently only 1. This is the idler pulley. So this is the one that would, the belt would come from the line shaft down to this pulley, and this one would just spin all the time. And when you shifted the lever, it would shift the belt off of this pulley that's just spinning free and onto this pulley. And there's some fairly significant wear right here where the idler pulley runs on that shaft. And of course it's on the bottom side of the shaft, so the belt was pulling upward as it was rotating, and that's caused this significant wear right here on the bottom. This groove is probably a 1/16 of an inch deep. Most likely, I'll wind up remaking this shaft. This is the upper pulley, or the spindle pulley. Again, 2 speeds. It looks like it's got a little bit of damage right here. This is actually a key that keys this pulley onto the spindle shaft, and there's a little bit of damage there. I'm going to have to work on that. Now this piece should come through, maybe. No, there's a screw here. So evidently this screw that's on the side is engaging with a slot on the spindle. And evidently that slot doesn't come all the way through. So there's the base. Next piece to come off will be the table support, hopefully. I'm over in the support shop now, and the last piece I have to take apart on this drill press is this screw right here that will allow me to pull the spindle out. You'll notice right here there is a pair of jam nuts. The problem I'm running into is those jam nuts and their washer are blocking the spindle from going out. So what I've decided to do is take a flat screwdriver, and I'm working it down in here right and getting it just on the upper jam nut and sort of pinching it in there. And then I took a little Tommy bar, this is just a transfer punch, and put it in the chuck hole up here, and I was able to break that jam nut loose and am able now to you know, rotate that and get it out just like this. Okay, so there's the first jam nut. We've got one more now to get in here. Okay, there's the other nut. Now, there it comes.